Tips to stay healthy over Christmas. That's our topic today with our dietitian, Marcia. Hi, Marcia.
Hi, Gia.
I love seeing Marcia because she's got great tips for us. You're in for a treat. And Marcia, can you please help us, because it is the worst time of year to try to keep the kids and yourself healthy.
That's right.
What sort of tips do you have for us?
Yeah, look, a couple of these tips I think are ones that I've tried and they've really been helpful. So start the day with a whole food breakfast. Make sure that they have, some oats or some cereal, some plant-based milk, some fruit, and that just makes sure they get that fibre and protein and energy they need.
Keeps them full. For
longer.
Yes.
Yeah, and so if they have some events coming on through the day, you don't need to feel quite so bad if they've
had a really healthy breakfast.
They've had a good start to the day.
Absolutely.
So that's a really good one to get going with. Don't bring them ravenously hungry to a party or an event. Self-control goes out the window and you'll pay for it the next day.
You will. And they go crazy at the parties when they're hungry.
They do.
I always go to parties with a smoothie and I put frozen fruit in it, spinach and dates, and they love it. And on the way to the party, they're drinking this smoothie and they're so full by the time they get there. So it's good. Great tip.
Great, yeah. I think it's a really good one. Another one that I actually got from a dentist who's a mum herself, she used to find the kids were coming home with candy canes all the time and she was just absolutely, in despair. So she would give them a coin, either a 20-cent or a 50-cent coin, in exchange for each of the candy canes they'd bring home.
What a great idea. My kids would definitely give candy canes for coins. They love saving money to buy stuff.
I think it's a really good one too.
And it's okay if they have one.
Yeah.
But the more they bring, so you go to the kids, bring me more candy cane and I'll give you
and they do bring so much home. Honestly, the amount my kids bring home is crazy. Another good tip though is to stick with water, and I think that's important because erratic eating behaviours, as in huge sort of lunch and lots of party foods, tends to lead to a bit of constipation at this time of the year. So having plenty of water instead of juice and soft drinks helps with the constipation.
Great idea.
Bring some healthy foods along to a party. So I've got like a dip at the bottom of this and some veggie sticks in here.
I love this idea. This is awesome. So she's got hummus. You've got hummus in there. You've got a few veggies.
Yeah, snow peas,
and even a little stick for them.
Yeah.
And if your friends are like, can you bring a dish with you? You can bring all these little things.
Big
what
tray
a great idea. I love it.
There's great recipes that you've come up with too.
And we've got plenty at mumsonthetable.com. You can go to our recipes and we've got heaps of ideas for parties. So
yeah, no, it's a good tip to try and bring some healthy options, that's for sure.
That is so good. Thank you so much, Marcia. We really appreciate all those tips. I love the coin and candy cane one the best, and filling up before going to parties. But yes, we're going to be back with some more healthy tips. Thank you, Marcia. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time. See you later.